Hey guys, Angel here with the Bullish Bears team. I am making the watch list video for Monday, January 7th. I have the S&P futures pulled up and you can see that yesterday was a pretty bullish day. It did test this 20 EMA and it did reject and close right below it. So we'll have to wait and see on Monday if it can get above or if it's going to reject and then go back down like it did over here. Even though it never really touched the 20, it did reject off the 9 before heading back up, so we'll just have to wait and see. So let's get into the watch list for Monday. So this one has been oversold for a while. It did close right above this 20, but I would be worried that it would then go back to test it. But let's take a look at the hourly. See what the hourly tells us. So you can see it's got resistance at 1310 at this 200 SMA. It is trading above the moving averages and it's not quite oversold yet. So let's take a look again at the daily. So it's sort of forming like a cup pattern. So I'll just put it on with okay, so cupish. Oh yeah, pattern on daily. Watch for 200 SMA resistance on hourly and 50 SMA on daily. All right, so that's AMGP. All right, so we'll take a look at the next one. Fossil. So that is right at resistance. I would not put that one on. Let's take a look at this one. So this one is interesting. Moving averages are pinching to cross. It's got resistance around 550. Let's take a look at the hourly. It's not oversold yet. Oh, and it's like a beautiful bull flag. So I'm going to put that one on. Okay. See, bull flagging on hourly. Watch for resistance around 550. HBM. Okay, GOPH. See, that is too close to that 50, so I wouldn't put that one on. Now this is interesting. It was in this falling wedge, broke out a little, did close above the 20. I would be a little bit worried about that double top on the 5-minute though. Oh yeah, and this is right at resistance on the hourly, so that's not going on. Let's take a look at the hourly. So you can see this like cup pattern. You have to watch out for resistance around 1861 or 1681. It is above moving averages. I don't like the indecision candles at the end of the day. It's almost like a cup. Would want to watch out for. So 1680 seems to be about a pretty strong resistance level. So let's see. Cupish pattern on daily. Watch for resistance around 1681. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Too close to resistance with an indecision candle, so I don't like that one. Oh, so this is interesting. It's like a tweezer bottom-ish. Has room up to this 1090. Let's take a look at the hourly. Ooh, but the hourly, it's right at that 200. Even though it's a nice bull flag, it's right at that 200. So I would not put that on because it could test that in reverse. I don't love that one. Oh, nope, I can already see the 200 SMA. It's right there. So nope, I would not put that one on. So this has tested the 9 about 3 times. Let's take a look at the hourly, and it's right by that 200 SMA, so... And it could potentially be a double top, so I'm not going to put that on. So the moving averages are crossing. It did close above this 50, so it would have room up to this 200. You'd have resistance around 314, 350, 366, and then 392. But I don't love that it's a spinning top candle. And it is oversold on the hourly, so I'm not going to put that on because it's oversold on the hourly, indecision candle on the daily. I don't like that. All right, GTE. So this one is interesting. Closed at its high of day. There's no wick. It closed above the 20. It's got room to 260. If you can break 260, it's got room up to around 275. Let's take a look at the hourly. Did close above this 200. You can see bull flag-ish. All right, I like it. I think I like it. So we'll put it on. Bull flagging on hourly. Watch for resistance around the 50. Around the 50 SMA on daily. Let's put that GTE. EPE. Okay, so this one's a little more interesting. I would be worried about that dollar mark. If it broke $1, you'd have room up to this 50. Let's see what the hourly looks like. Oh. So it got above all the moving averages. So it's sort of double bottom-ish on the daily. These patterns aren't perfect. Double bottom-ish on daily. If price can get above $1, watch for resistance. around the 200 SMA. APE. Nope, don't like that one. It closed right at resistance. Don't like that doji candlestick right on the moving average. Nope, at resistance. Also at resistance. Also at resistance. Okay, so this one is bull flagging. Does have room up to 350. Let's look at the hourly. But it's oversold right at this 200 SMA, so I would not put that one on. Nope. So that has room to the 50. It's sort of this cup pattern. Let's look at the hourly, see what the hourly's doing. So you can see that big cup and it's handling on at the 200, but it is oversold. So that worries me a little. I hate when it changes that. Okay, so cup on the hourly. Watch for resistance around 50 SMA on daily. It's like the best watch list we've had in a while. And watch Monday, the market's just going to tank just because it likes messing up my watch lists. I would not put that one on. I would not put that one on. Those are all right at resistance. So that's interesting. The moving averages, the 9 and 20, are about to cross. It's got resistance at this 131. That's too close for me. Why do I feel like I just saw that pattern? Let's take a look at the hourly. Didn't I just put this one on? I could have swore I just put this one on. That is bizarre. It's the exact same pattern in stock. Not the same stock, but it's almost the same. I'm not going to test my luck with that one. Nope. FTR. Nope. No. I don't like that. No. Nope. Oh, these are all at resistance. Okay, so this one, you can see the bull flag. It's got room to 273. That's not that far. It is overextended from the moving average line, so that would worry me because once a stock gets overextended, it's going to come back to it. So I wouldn't put that on just because Monday could be the day that it comes back. That's right at resistance. So 186 would be resistance. Let's look at what the hourly is. Whoa. Oh, it's being weird. And now it's frozen. Alright, I'm going to pause this and figure out what's going on. Okay, it's just being temperamental. So we can see it's got resistance at 175, and it hit that at the end of the day and fell. So I would not put that on because it's too close to that resistance level. So that's too close to closing to the moving average for me. Don't want to put that on. I don't like that candle. That's a messy candle. I don't like that. Nope, right at resistance. Also too close to resistance. So that has room. It's been oversold. It did close above this 20. Let's look at the... Oh, really? And it's right at that 200, so I wouldn't put that on. Nope. No. No. That is garbage. I wouldn't put that on. Oh, nope. That death cross is occurring right there, so I wouldn't put that on. Nope. Also a no. Let's see, when are these earnings? The end of the month. Nope. No. And no. So that is going to be our daily watch list. Let's take a look at the swing trade. See, swing trading is really difficult right now. So we're going to see if there's even... Nope. No. The market's been so up and down, it's so hard to... I don't like that. And the spreads are large. If your spreads are large, then it's harder to get your options trades filled, and that's no. So, nope. So I wouldn't put anything on with more than 20, like a 20-cent spread is probably the most I'd go. So you can see a bull flag. It's bull flagging up to this 147.05. Let's take a look. It doesn't have very much open interest, which means the bid-ask spread's large, so I wouldn't put that one on. No. It's almost like an inverse head and shoulders, but let's take a look at the... Okay, so it's got a lot of open interest. It's a 25-cent bid-ask spread. But moving averages are pinching. Let me look at the hourly real quick. And it's bull flagging on the hourly. Okay. So I'll put that on. Okay, so inverse head and shoulders forming on daily. Watch for resistance around 50 SMA. ATH. No. Also a no. And also a no. That's a no. I don't love it. Does have a lot of open interest, but the bid asks are 30 cents, so I'm not going to do that. No. 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 You can see how messy these are. Because the market has been so messy. Swing trading is only really good to do when there's a strong trend in place because you're looking for profit in a certain direction. So swing trading without a trend is a lot more difficult. And sometimes you have to go a lot longer term than the short term swing trades. You can see they're all around, they're indecision candles around resistance, so that's going to be a lot harder to trade. So this could potentially be I don't know how I feel. Oh, yeah, no. That just tanked after hours. Oh, it had earnings. No, it doesn't have earnings till the end of the month, fish. But, go away. No, I don't like it. Don't like it. That's no. Also a no. And another no. Mm-mm. Nope. Right at resistance. Ooh. What is that? Nope. Nope. Let's look at... There's really no open interest and the bid-ask spreads are large, so that's no. Oh, that's way too messy. Too close resistance. Nope. Nope. Mm-mm. You close above the 50, but I don't like that the open interest isn't much. So I'm not going to put that one on. Urban Outfitters. Nope. I don't. This one had earnings and then went down. I don't know if it's going to continue or if it's going to try and rebound. It's filling a gap, so it might head back up because it filled that gap. So I'm not putting that one on because that is temperamental. No. 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 That's really messy. Oh, this good old stock. I've lost money on this stock, so I get a little bitter sometimes when I see it. Let's take a look at the hourly. And I should have played the short put on that. So it is bull flagging. It broke above the moving averages. It's not yet overextended. Let's take a look at. So this one always has a lot of interest. It's only a 10-cent spread. So, see, this tweezer bottom broke through resistance. I'll put it on. 34. Okay. Bull flagging on hourly. Watch for resistance around, is it the 50? Yes. Around 50 SMA on daily. All right, so that is going to be our 2 watch lists for Monday. We will have to wait and see what this temperamental market does. Hopefully, it continues to move up or just choose one direction and then stick with it so that way it's easier to trade. And just be aware that the market's crazy and be safe and keep your risk management intact and follow your trading plan, because if you break from your trading plan, you usually take a loss. And stay safe trading, and I will see y'all later.